Hello, this is Dominating Drew, and today I'm going to be telling you about things that seem like they would be illegal, but actually aren't. There is no federal law against flamethrowers in the United States, and most individual states do not have laws against it. Even in states with laws, such as in California, owning one is only a misdemeanor. One legitimate use of a flamethrower is defense against Africanized honeybees, which can attack people as a swarm. Another deadly weapon that is legal to own in the US is a minigun. Miniguns can fire 2,000 to 6,000 rounds per minute, and the reason that they are legal is because of a law stating that any fully automatic weapon produced before 1986 is legal to own and transfer to another owner. The problem with trying to buy one is that there aren't very many available, and they usually sell for around $400,000. If you're rich enough to afford it, the operating cost of about $60 per second shouldn't be that much of a problem. One potential weapon that is legal in the US, Canada, the UK, and most places around the world is thermite. Thermite is an exothermic chemical reaction that gets extremely hot and can burn through many types of metal. It can be easily made from iron oxide and aluminum powder. If you didn't want to buy a weapon, then you could just buy a radar detector, since they're legal in the United States except for Virginia and Washington, D.C., the United Kingdom, and parts of Canada. Driving barefoot is legal almost everywhere in the world, but it is still not recommended. Depending on where you live, it might be legal to ignore traffic signs on private property, such as parking lots. Laws vary though in different places, so I wouldn't recommend driving through a stop sign if a cop is right behind you. Another thing that is legal but I wouldn't recommend is drinking and driving in Mississippi. It is legal to drink alcohol while driving as long as you stay under a 0.08 blood alcohol concentration. Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Missouri, Virginia, and West Virginia allow passengers to drink in a moving vehicle, but not the driver. There are no laws in the United States directly against cannibalism, but most likely you would be prosecuted for breaking other laws, such as murder. Lockpicks are legal in most places as long as there is no intent to break into somebody else's property. Local laws may be stricter in certain places, however. It is legal to remove mattress tags even if they say something like, "It is unlawful to remove this tag." These tags are for the seller and not the user of the mattress. Finally, it is legal to own and drive a decommissioned tank. You probably will have to deactivate the guns, unless you get a $200 destructive device permit in America. You'll also have to use rubber tracks to protect the road, but if you do everything properly, you could be like this guy, who drives his kids to school in a tank. Well, that was some things that seem like they would be illegal, but surprisingly aren't. Thank you for watching.